Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever encountered Office 365 error code 0-2048? This message typically signals an issue with your Office installation or its activation process. It often appears when you're setting up new software or trying to open an Office app for the very first time. Don't worry, many people experience this, and fixing it is usually quite manageable. We'll walk you through the steps to get your Office working smoothly again. Let's start with some quick, essential checks. Always make sure your internet connection is stable. Office relies on it for activation and updates. Sometimes, a simple computer restart works wonders, clearing up any temporary software hiccups. And don't forget to try running your Office application as an administrator. This can grant it the necessary permissions it might be missing. These steps often fix many common problems right away. If those basic steps didn't quite do the trick, it's time to try repairing your Office installation. Head over to your computer's Apps and Features or Control panel, find Microsoft Office and click Modify. You'll see two options there: Quick Repair, which is fast, and Online Repair, which takes a bit longer but is much more thorough. Often, this built-in tool can fix many underlying issues effectively. When repairs aren't enough, sometimes a complete reinstallation is the best path forward. For a truly clean slate, we highly recommend using the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, or SARA tool. You can download this free program from Microsoft's website. It thoroughly removes all Office files and settings, ensuring a fresh installation that can often resolve even the most stubborn error codes like 0-2048. Before giving up, do a couple more final checks. Make sure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Sometimes outdated systems cause unexpected conflicts. Also, try temporarily disabling your antivirus software, as it can occasionally interfere with Office installations. If you've tried everything and the error code 0-2048 still appears, then reaching out to Microsoft Support directly is your wisest next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.